Every resource you've built for your course, from your lecture slides to your reading materials, is a rich knowledge base. But for a student navigating the pressure of exam revision, it can feel like a labyrinth. The solution is to prompt NotebookLM to act as a Socratic tutor. This turns your course materials from a static archive into a personalized AI-powered coach that knows your content as well as you do. For an Introduction to Computer Science and Programming course, we'll upload the syllabus, lecture transcripts, and all course slides into a new notebook. Because NotebookLM is grounded in your sources by default, it will only ever answer based on the materials you've provided. Begin by asking NotebookLM to become a Socratic-style tutor. Your core prompt is, act as a Socratic tutor for a student studying for an exam. Start by asking me a high-level question about the fundamental difference between branching and iteration in a program. The immediate result is a focused first question. Notice how NotebookLM provides inline citations for its responses, linking students directly back to the specific page of your slides or the exact line in your transcripts. This ensures they're studying the right content, not just general web knowledge, and can easily reference the material if they have questions. To extend this idea, you can use NotebookLM to simulate a graded exercise. In the Studio panel, simply select the Quiz tile. NotebookLM will instantly generate a multiple-choice quiz based on your course materials, providing a structured way for students to test their knowledge. Bringing this to your students is simple. You can share your own verified master notebook for a consistent class experience, or have students build their own, teaching them how to curate a personalized AI-assisted study space. Keep in mind, when you share a notebook, you're sharing the source documents, but those you share with will not be able to see your chat history, nor will you be able to see theirs. Just be sure to share the Socratic Tutor prompt with students so they can unlock that same personalized tutoring experience. You're modeling impactful, self-directed learning for your students, ensuring their revision is accurate and deeply tied to your course. Okay, now it's your turn. Head over to notebooklm.google.com to get started.